Dear followers, subscribers and visitors, I hereby clarify that some of my videos published before April 2023 have a damaged audio track, as there was the need to replace songs due to copyright issues. The video track is intact, only my voice and the corresponding subtitles suffered some cuts, so I chose not to delete them. Gradually, prioritizing the most recent and most popular videos, I will publish a corrected version and leave a link in the description indicating the most current version. For professional reasons, this will be a slow process. I offer my apologies and thank you so much for your understanding.